Hey everyone, today we are going to see about the application discovery pattern. In the cloud dimensions, it's in the deploying a new internal system that utilizes a series of Mongoose web server. Although the details of the system will be captured using the service mapping toolset. An application discovery pattern is needed to capture the necessary attributes of the underlying Mongoose web server CIs. So now let's discover the existing My Windows server discovery. In the discovery schedule, I just opened the My Windows discovery. So before discovering this one, we should need to enable the application. We should need to open this Mongoose application, which should be running on our Windows machine. So once we open this Mongoose web server, which has been running, we should need to discover the My Windows discovery schedule. Let's do the discovery. Let's wait for some time to complete this discovery. So the discovery number is 10055. Let's wait for some time. Discovery got completed. Let's open this CA. Let's refresh it before that. Here we have the discovery CMDB underscore CA has been populated. Let's open this. Here we can verify this a Mongoose is running or not in the running processor. Let's open the dependency view. Here you can see the Mongoose web server is connected with the Windows mid server. So if the Mongoose is not running, if you are not able to find the Mongoose web server in the dependency view, you can able to open the virtual machine and verify the Mongoose is running or not. Okay. So now we are going to create a discovery pattern. Let's go to the discovery pattern now. Let's create a new one. Let's fill the pattern, basic pattern type, those kind of things. So the pattern type could be the application name. We are going to do the Mongoose pattern. So let's name this as a Mongoose pattern. So the description could be application pattern for Mongoose web servers. So these are the things we need to fill. Then we can save this. Before save this, we should need to create a identification section. So let's create it. So here we can provide the discovery name as a discovery, then all has been checked. Here the thing is we should need to do the listening port. We should need to assign as a listening port. Let's done. Put it done. We can save this one now. So this whole Mongoose pattern has been saved. Now let's go to the CA classification under processes. Now we are going to do the addition of the pattern to the process classification. So let's go to the processes. Open the Mongoose. Open this one. Here, as usual, we have done in the last class, and also we should need to put in the trigger props. We should need to make that horizontal pattern. We should need to select the horizontal pattern. So let's select it. We We are providing the mongoose pattern in the pattern section, which we now only we have created, right? So open that mongoose pattern and save this. So there is a one record where mongoose was running on your on our mid server. So if mid server was restarted since completion of the last discovery, then mongoose web server needs to be started again. Okay. So let's from the application tab we can open it. Let's open this one. So in the application tab we can click this mongoose.exe. From the application tab you have this mongoose exe mongoose.exe one. So this is a entry in the running process column for your Windows server just has been discovered. So we can copy this PID. This is a process identifier will differ from the mongoose web server. So let's open the pattern. Let's go to the pattern. Click this discovery. Enable the debug mode. That now we are providing this select mid server as a automatic mid server selection. Then debug type has been horizontal. So now we with the whole class we are seeing about the horizontal discovery. So now we can provide the IP address which we have the mid server value, or else we have this discovery schedule, right? On the discovery schedule we have one IP address. We can provide that one. So this is the mid server. PID will be this one. We can provide the PID. Once we provide it, we can connect this one. Now the error is coming. Let's remove this comma and check. Now let's change the step name called get executable info. Also we can change the operation uh, to parse variable. Here we can enter the now we are going to take the temporary variable. In the temporary variable we can expand this process. So here we have the executable, right? Executable, we can drag it and drop it in here. Process.executable. So click retrieve. You can have this mongoose.exe. Can click this table, and then the table we can replace the name underscore details. Drag this. I can able to change this one. Underscore info. Like this I can able to drag it and make the variables as stored in here. So let's save this and test this one. See under exec info you will have to see that mongoose underscore mongoose.exe. We can add the second step. Let's add it in the build. Here we should provide a target field as a CMDB underscore CA underscore web server. Target field name as a name, and also the value can be name details of one dot exec info, plus we can just provide this path details. So here we provide that hyphen, and also here we provide that the path path details process that I can show you. Process that executable there. Here you can see that we have dragged this and dropped in here. Like this only we can able to call it. Once we save this, we should need to do the discovery. So we already done the discovery. Once the discovery has been completed, you can able to see the name has been changed. Before that, the this has been only IP address. Now the name has been changed. Now it's working fine. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.